Good morning once again. Welcome back. We're going to be looking at solving quadratic equations using completing the square methods. These are the rules that we're going to be following to get this done. So now let's take our question. It says that we should find 3x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 4 equals to 0. So we're supposed to find the roots of this quadratic equation using completing the square methods. Now these are the set down rules that are going to help us to get this done. So let's get right to it. First thing, always write a general equation of a quadratic equation before you start solving. So remember our general equation is ax squared, right, plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Good. Next thing we do will be identify what's a, what's b, and what's c. So from here, relating to this, we have a, it means our a here is equal to what? 3, right? Our b is what? 4. And our c is what? Minus 4. So we have this down. So now how do we solve this using completing square methods? Let's follow this rule strictly and we're going to be good. First thing says, first is first. Move the constant, which is c, to the right hand side. So this is our general equation. We should move c to the right hand side. What are we going to arrive at? In the first rule, so we're going to be having 3x squared, right, plus 4x. Moving c to the right hand side is equal to 4. Our second rule says, now the second, divide both sides by a. A is the coefficient of x squared. So a is what? 3. So we're dividing both sides by 3. So we'll be having 3x squared all over 3 plus 4x all over 3 is equal to 4 all over 3, which will eventually become what? X squared, right? Plus 4x all over 3 is equal to what? 4 all over 3. I fulfill the second rule. The third rule says add what? B all over 2 all squares to both sides. Now the B we're going to be looking at, look at, if you represent this, look at this, general equation of a quadratic equation, our A here is 1, our B is now what? 4 over 3. So our B here is now what? 4 all over 3. And it says what? Add B all over 2 all squared. That's your B divided by 2 all squared to both sides. So let's identify what's our B all over 2 all squared. So our B all over 2, it means we're having 4 all over 3 times 1 all over 2. Now it says b all over 2 all squared. It means we're having all this all squared. Right? So if you divide here through, you'll be having 2 all over 3 all squared. This is the same thing as our b all over 2 all squared. So it now says you should do what? Add it to both sides. So it means we're going to be having this equation to become 3x squared all over 3 plus 4x all over 3 plus what? B all over 2 all squared. That's 2 all over 3 all squared is equal to what? 4 all over 3 plus 2 all over 3 what? All, sorry, 4 all over 3 equals to what? 4 all over 3 plus 2 all over 3 all squared. We're still on the third one, on the third one. So we're going to try to solve all of this. I'll erase this first rule so that we can walk around them. So let me erase these ones. So erasing this, we're still on our third rule. Erasing this. So this is what we have, right? So now, let's continue working. Can you reduce this any further? When you work on this, you don't touch here. You can reduce here, but you don't work on here because you need this information to do something. So we continue solving. We have this to be equals to, we can expand it to be having 4 over 3 plus 4 over 9 Find the LCM here is what? 9. 3 into 9, 3. 3 times 4, 12. Plus 9 into 9, 1. 1 times 4, 4. And we're having here to be 16 all over 9. Which will eventually become, okay, yes, 16 over 9. Cannot reduce that, nothing can enter it. So here you still having the same thing down here. So now you still having 3x squared. 3x squared over 3 has already cancelled each other. So we're having x squared plus 4x all over 3 plus 2 all over 3 all squared. So it means this one has cancelled each other already. So now the fourth step says what? Take roots, take square roots. To do this, what you will do is, the rule you will do is, you take x, this one, what is here, and add to what is here. And that's what gives you the roots. So it means for the fourth step, taking square roots, this means you'll be having x what? Plus 2 all over 3 all squared is equal to what? 16 all over 9. So taking square roots, this means we're going to find the square root of all of this and the square root of all of that. So it means here the square root of this becomes x plus 2 all over 3 is equal to what? Plus or minus the square root of 16 all over 9. That is plus or minus 4 all over 3. So the fifth rule says what? Solve for x. So our fifth rule solving for x will now put x what is now equal to what? Taking this plus 2 over 3 to the other side, you have minus 2 all over 3 plus or minus 4 all over 3. So with this you can solve any question of subcomplete square method using these set rules.